Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be following a Makocinno art tutorial. First things first, sorry if I butchered the pronunciation of her YouTube channel name. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm really sorry. Makocinno, I don't know. But anyway, she's a very famous YouTuber. If you've been in the art community for a while, I'm sure you've heard of her. She's very popular for her art do's and don'ts videos, her Art Journal Thursday videos, and a host of other things. I'm just gonna be saying Mako because that's just what it looks like, and that's how I would pronounce it. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section down below because I really don't want to get her name wrong. Let's get started.
Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome back. Now we can start outlining the general shape of the leaves using a pencil.
Like she said, I'm gonna make mine big because I really want to fill up this space. I know my pencil lines are kind of hard to see, I'm sorry about that, but she's got kind of like a curve going on. And it's kind of like this. Is that how it is all the way around?
Creating a gap in between. You can make the space bigger or smaller.
Okay, so basically I messed up already, but let me try again. Let's go in towards the leaf, create kind of a little zwoop, and then come back out. Perfect. Looks like a monstera to me. And then I assume we do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna do that, and if I get it wrong, we'll go back and fix it. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I'm trying to preserve the eraser on my color erase pencils. Obviously, I'm not doing a very good job, but if I'm given the choice to use another eraser besides the eraser on my color erase pencils, I totally will, because I kind of want to save those for quote-unquote emergencies where I'm like, I just brought the pencil and have nothing else.
Here you want to mix some pinkish or red colored paint with lots of water until you get it.
I have such a bad habit of not cleaning my palette. I can use up some space in that corner. I don't want to waste this paint. I like to save it for doing a video where I use all of the paint on my palette, so I think I'm gonna save it and I'm just gonna mix the pink right up in this top corner because I've got plenty of green here that I can use for the monstera. Whew, she's moving fast. She says to do the yellow next and then you can mix it like on the paper, and I am not prepared for that. So I'm just gonna prepare a little bit of yellow on the palette to mix right in. Oh my gosh, painting the yellow directly onto the pink on the paper is like stressing me out because I don't like the idea of not being in control of the color when I put it on the paper, but you know what, that's okay. It's just a painting. Worst case scenario, I just scrap it and start over. Oh no, I'm messing it up. I had such a nice gradient going and now I'm like painting two separate sections at once. Alright, the background is completely dry. I'm really happy with it. There is a little bit of buckling in the paper, which I'm not so happy about, but that's okay. Now it's time to move on to the leaves. Let's hear what Mako has to say.
To make the color of the leaf look more interesting and to bring in more variety to the pattern, I will be using different shades of blue and green.
I got a forest green on my palette already. Now let's grab a light blue. I'm going to be using 154. Also, for those of you who are curious, I'm currently using the Koi watercolor sketch box. I'm using the 48 count. I love this so much. It's so compact, it's so versatile, it has all the colors I need. I just love it. I thought I had been picking up the forest green. I have no idea why. I realized I'm picking up an olive green, not a forest green, so that's why everything looks weird. It's fine, it's fine. We'll fix it. It's fine. she now moves on to kind of do a background, like adding more things to the background. She does kind of these little vines, and I think I'm gonna do those as well, just because, like she said, the background is a little bit boring, especially in this corner right here. So let me do that. We're gonna use 196, which is my darkest brown without mixing anything. I'll just leave the branches the way they are. Ah, messed it up. Oh gosh, that's so much worse. That's so much worse. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, hold on. I'm just making this so much worse. Why did I feel the need to do that at all? That looks awful. Okay, great, cool. Great. Anyway, let's just move on. See what else we can do. And I'm sorry, Mako, your tutorial has been lovely and I love everything you're doing. I think I'm gonna wing it here. She's doing a lifting technique like she said, and I'll probably do some of that as well, but I think I'm just gonna wing it and finish this piece up and then come back to you guys when it's completely done. Alright, so this is my finished painting from following a Makocinno tutorial. I will leave it in the description down below if you want to follow it for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button and notification bell to be alerted every time we post a new video. Comment down below your thoughts and suggestions for future videos, and have a fabulous day. Bye!